Picture this, a crisp winter evening, snow gently falling. And a warm glow radiating from inside your home. Now imagine your front door adorned with a wreath so cozy, so elegant, that it feels like a heartfelt embrace for everyone who steps through. Welcome to the world of fabric wreaths, where elegance meets comfort in the most magical way. Welcome to Fabric Art Decor, where we transform everyday spaces into cozy, stylish homes using the beauty of fabric. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and ideas. Fabric wreaths offer something unique. They're warm, inviting, and luxurious. Without being overwhelming. Unlike traditional greenery, they bring a softness and texture that's both timeless and modern. Whether it's velvet, linen, or burlap, fabric wreaths transform any entryway into a festive masterpiece. Let's talk fabrics. Velvet wreaths, with shimmering metallic accents, exude opulence. Linen wreaths, adorned with subtle embroidery, offer understated elegance. And for those craving a cozy vibe, chunky knit wreaths are like wrapping your door in a warm holiday hug. The fabric you choose sets the tone for the entire wreath. Creating an ambience that's uniquely yours. Color is key. Deep jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red. Bring a regal touch to your wreath. For a classic holiday feel, traditional reds and greens never fail. If you prefer something serene, winter whites and soft neutrals create a tranquil, snowy wonderland effect that's both chic and inviting. Texture elevates any design. Imagine layering velvet with delicate lace or adding faux fur accents for a touch of luxury. These elements not only add depth, but also invite guests to reach out and feel the warmth and richness of your wreath. It's all about creating a tactile experience that feels as good as it looks. Don't be afraid to go bold with embellishments. Oversized fabric bows, crystal accents, or handmade fabric flowers can turn a simple wreath into a show-stopping statement piece. The goal is to strike a balance between elegance and eye-catching detail that leaves a lasting impression. While the front door is a classic choice, fabric wreaths can shine in unexpected places. Hang one above your fireplace for a cozy focal point. Or use it as a stunning centerpiece on your dining table. The versatility of fabric wreaths allows them to enhance every corner of your holiday decor. Mixing patterns and fabrics is where creativity comes alive. Pair plaid fabric with solid velvet or layer stripes with neutral linens. This modern approach adds visual interest and makes your wreath a true conversation starter. The key is harmony, let one pattern lead while the others complement. Fabric wreaths are more than decor. They're memory makers. They symbolize warmth, togetherness, and the joy of welcoming loved ones. Each year, as you bring out your wreath, you're also bringing back the love and memories woven into every fabric strand. This holiday season, let fabric wreaths be the symbol of your home's warmth and elegance. They invite. They impress. And most importantly, they create lasting memories. So, whether you're going bold with embellishments or keeping it soft and serene, your fabric wreath will be the perfect holiday welcome for all who visit. If this inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more holiday decor ideas that will elevate your celebrations. Wishing you a warm and festive holiday season.